Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to continue with our Motor City Fox Fest 2024 interview. Today, we have Mr. Matt Lee. He owns a 1988 T-Top Foxbody.
The car came from North Carolina. I bought it from a guy in Pennsylvania who bought it from the state auction. I've got the original turbines with a set of Mickey Thompson slicks on it.
Wow.
It's got Kenny Brown subframe connectors welded in. It's got adjustable rear perches for the springs.
Okay.
Block race shocks.
Okay.
H&R springs, lower springs all around.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I haven't gotten into the motor, but I know there's something done.
Oh, yeah. It has to be with all that.
Yeah.
Better be.
Yeah. I mean, you take off, it squats and goes.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, this is incredible.
I've done the cold air intake on. I've done the silicone hoses. Here comes Mr. John Brooks.
How are you doing? I know you saw me. I was just waiting.
How are you?
Good, how are you, my
Man, I'm great. How about yourself? You too.
This is the wife, she's filming us.
Hi there. So like I said, I've done the cold air intake, plugged wires, upgraded the silicone hoses. I do have the underglue on it.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody's got to have that now.
Underglue, that's a fad now.
Oh,
right?
yeah. Put the Hurst competition shifter in it. Had a Hurst short throw in it.
Okay.
I've had it a little over 2 years now. It's been a fun little project. Put all the blacked out headlights, tail lights.
Okay. That's nice. It goes good with the blue.
Yeah.
I see you got your Mighty report.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Nice.
So it's 88 last year at the T-Top.
Right.
It's 3,700 of them made.
Wow. Got you a rare one.
Yeah.
Check this out. Van stickers. No corner. Van sticker in the corner. I mean, can't beat that. Van sticker over here in this corner. So what that tells us is that all the original body panels, no accidents for 1988.
Sticker on the hood.
Yep, right here. How does she ride? Rides good?
Rough. Yeah. I'm figuring that the shocks and the springs are at least 20 years old, so they need updated.
So what are your plans for this?
I'm thinking probably the yellow conies all around, yeah.
Okay, those are nice. I think mine has an orange on there, so. All original interior too, right?
Yeah.
Nice. I love that tweed, man. Gray tweed.
I did upgrade to the cup holder center console, but the ashtray did work. I got in it, I'm like, wait a minute. Something's wrong. It actually works.
At least you didn't break it testing it out.
Right. That was the first thing I pulled out. I'm like, I got to put this away.
Yep.
Somebody will pay good money for that. Yeah.
Mine, the ashtray door still works as well. You know, I take it out and I use the cup holder.
Yep.
I looked at it and I was like, it just didn't quite match, you know? So I just took it out, put those back in.
Yeah. The console there, I took it off, done just the flat center. I didn't like it, but the top was broke, so I ordered the new top setup from L&R. Then the color was completely off. I'm like, you know what? I'm going, for the rustic look. I'm not painting it for at least another 5 years, so just stick with that.
Right.
Put the old busted top back on it. I try to go as original as possible.
So the one thing that's unique about this is that it has the convertible mirror.
Right. So midway through the 88 run, they changed it from the upper piece to the convertible mirrors.
Nice.
Don't know why. So this one was built 1087.
How do you like that?
I actually like it better. I've had the older ones where it was in the corner. The spring inside would break.
Oh yeah.
You had to change the whole thing out.
Oh yeah.
Whole hassle. I like that. It's electric. Everything's worked so far.
You can't beat electric, man.
No, this car has truly surprised me. Cruise control works.
Wow. Wow. That's amazing right there.
It had the original tape deck in it.
Okay.
It worked, but you turn the volume up, it squelched.
Oh yeah.
Old electronics, but rear defrost
original
worked.
door speakers.
Yeah.
Nice.
Everything was original.
How many miles?
124,000.
Original.
Yeah.
That's actually low for 88.
Yeah.
That's actually really low.
Yeah. It's got the Ford Motorsport 140 mile an hour speedo.
Is that after the fact?
That's the way it came when I got it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like I said, when I got the turbines with the Mickey Thompson Street ET slicks, all the original suspension, springs, struts, shocks, everything.
Wow.
Like I went to pick it up and the guy just started throwing out boxes. Hey, this goes with it. This
Okay,
goes
thanks.
with it. Yeah.
Thanks.
I didn't even notice the Mickey Thompsons at first. I just threw them in the bed of my truck, got home, went to unload them. I'm like, something's not right here.
At least show our bald.
Yeah. You got these big stripes in there, they're bald. What's okay? Oh, yeah.
I'm impressed, man. This is actually really nice. So do you plan on restoring these, or you're holding out?
I'm gonna hold out. I've seen Greg Hicksky's work, and I don't know if he's gonna even be able to clear those.
Yeah.
They're just so far.
Well, you never know, man.
Yeah,
Look at professional builders.
yeah,
You never know. So you try.
yeah. I'm gonna hold out a little bit and enjoy it for a while. Last year I only put maybe 50 miles on it. This year I put 600 on it, and I just said it's time to enjoy it.
Well, yeah. If she runs,
Oh
enjoy
yeah,
it.
yeah,
Beat on her a little bit,
Yeah.
you know? That's why we have it.
exactly.
That's why we have it. Thanks, Matt. Man, I truly appreciate you, brother.
You too, brother.